quadratic formula, derivation of quadratic formula in 3 minutes. Alright, let ax square plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Find all possible values of x. Step 1. Since a is different from 0, divide both sides by a. So we have x square plus b over a x plus c over a equals 0, because 0 divided by a will be b0. Step number 2, we complete the perfect square on left hand side. So we know x square plus kx. If we add this term, the square of half the coefficient of k divided by 2, we complete this perfect square, x plus k over 2 square. So that means we must subtract what we've added on the left hand side to complete this perfect square. We added this, so we subtract here. So what it means is that this one is the same as that. Then we do the same here. So it means this the coefficient is b over a. We take half, so it becomes b over 2a. Then we complete the perfect square. Then we must subtract this square of that constant which we have here, and then c over a, we have done nothing is here. Okay, so this part will complete the perfect square of this on the left. Then step number 3, so this is what we'll complete. We move all the constants to the right hand side. So these two, they go to the right hand side. So this minus becomes a plus, a minus becomes a plus becomes a minus. So only this term with x is on the left hand side. Now we have this step number 4. We simplify the right hand side and express at a single fraction. So we square numerator b becomes b squared, denominator becomes 4a square, and then we put the common lowest common multiple, the LCM, which is 4a square. Then here we'll have b square on the numerator, but here, because it's 4a square, we'll have 4a multiplied by the numerator, which is 4ac. So this is a single fraction. Then now we take the square root both sides. So when we take square root both sides, it will be plus. We remove this perfect square here, then it becomes plus or minus the square root of this thing we have here. But this one now by sides is square root of the numerator, which is what we have here, and then divided by square root of the denominator, which is 2a, because 4a square, it will be 2a. Then now we make x subject of the formula, so which means b over 2a goes on the right hand side. So a plus here, we'll have a minus here. Then this one now we see that 2a is common, so we put it a common LCM, and then we have the denominators on the top. So this completes the quadratic formula. Alright, so this completes the derivation of quadratic formula. Thank you, bye bye.